but let me see. Yes, I am live on YouTube. Let me just do some admin tasks and then we can start. Okay, that's that's great. Let's start with Polymarket not wallet. We were here, fixed market maker factory. Okay, fixed market maker factory. Cool. So we have this. Now what we want to do is just give me a second. Okay. Also, I forgot to. So is like okay. I have like a bald spot here. Anyway, we can start working on. Sorry, we can start not working on, just completing this. Let's say next we want to. I want to just go tweet it. I did. Yeah, I did put a tweet out. Hey, working on FPMM migration on stream. Join in. Okay, now that's done. Back to our main thing, which is we'll just modify this entity again and again. We were we were at this point, so we did create a new. Did we conditions and then we just okay. I think what I should do is just create an empty thing here. Empty. Yes. So we have an empty entity and now we modify it. Entity, then what I we don't want id to lowercase, it's already lowercase. Then what do we need? Creator, creation timestamp. Okay, this is not context, this is event. Next is transaction hash, collateral token. Okay, collateral token id. We don't know why this is here. So that's the utility function, and utility collateral token. Let's check it. Get token details. Okay, there is one more thing here where we'll do get, sorry about that. Okay, yeah, I guess you guys can still hear me. We are working with token, and I guess okay, does this function do like external calls, like try name? I don't know what that function does, so I have to check. Does this graph subgraph function calls external API? Short answer no. What's happening is okay, it does an external call. In 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 terms of like in hyperindex term, it's an external call to the RPC. So what we can do is check if collateral, it's collateral, right? Yes, collateral token exists. Token exists. If not, do an external call to fetch its data. Okay, that's good enough. What we need to do right now, we have done this. Here we have to conditional token address, conditional tokens. Okay, it's just a single token, not tokens. And finally conditions. Okay, no need to add the conditions because it's already there. Okay, this function will just have it here. const collateral token entity context dot collateral dot get collateral token. If not collateral token, okay, this is AI generated, which is wrong. I'll just add like a to do implement external call to fetch the data. That's good enough. Next, we we did assign collateral token here, as you can see. Also, I don't remember using this collateral ID, but again, it might be on type. You can see it's here, but I don't know why I haven't seen this before. Maybe there I just didn't came across this, but I don't think that would be the case. Also, where is fee? Okay, fee is 0. Now we need to take fee and assign it here. Fee. Okay, we also get condition IDs, I guess. Condition IDs. Let's assign those condition IDs. Conditions dot concat. Okay, this is an interesting thing. So they are fetching the condition. Sorry, you see, they are fetching the condition. If condition is null, uh, we are throwing an error and returning. If it is we are just adding this. It says concat, and we can just push this. Conditions. Okay, no. So do we need this right away? I don't think so. Just let's remove that, because there is a validation sequence here, like validation snippet, where we are validating the condition IDs. Where we are validating the condition IDs. So let's do that part where we do for condition const condition entity equal to get condition entity, and we'll do error, and we'll just try to follow everything. Fail to create market maker is saying address hex string. What is that? Is the fixed product market maker. condition not found, return. Okay, great. And at this point we can, it's read only. Yes, I assumed that would be the case. Entity equal to condition IDs. We did that one. Next, outcome slot. Okay, I guess outcome slot is also outcome slot count. Let me see. Okay, no. Where, okay, outcome token count is the, let's use that here. Also, we are returning, right? So, give me a second. Okay, so as you can see, this part, at this part, if condition entity is not found, we are returning, we are just ending the function execution. So I guess what we can do is outcome slot count is condition id dot length, because if a single entity is not present, we are breaking the finishing the execution. So I'm assuming at the end all the conditions are there in the database, and outcome slot count is just the length of this array conditions id. Okay, now we need to go and check initialize FMM, as it's still modifying this fixed product market maker. So let's see. Total supply 0, outcome token, outcome token amount, outcome, where are they getting this from? Okay, this one, slot count, slot count. Oh, sorry, I didn't see that. So total supply will always be 0. Now here, what we'll do is we need to do those calculations. Those are not calculations, it's just they are creating the array of zeros and decimal zeros. So big int zeros and big decimal zeros. So how to shorten this? Okay, I guess we can shorten this. Okay, total supply will be 0, right? Total total supply is 0, and we just need, let's do the same. Outcome outcome token amounts, and can I do condition id? Okay, no, I don't know how to do that, so let me check how to pass length here. Okay, no, or yes, it can. New array of big int, and will pass condition ids dot length. Will this actually work? Will value and number changes all? Yeah, it works. So we don't have to do this part. That's good. What's next? Okay, everything is 0 by default. Let's do entity outcome. Okay, this is the wrong thing. Big int. Okay, this doesn't throw an error, so I guess that's correct. Or what we can do is, I don't know if that's okay or not, but let's do 0 n. Was the type? Okay, whatever the type is, it's correct. Now we'll do timestamp to day. Okay, we need that function. Convert any type of unique timestamp into, okay, into day util time. Okay, time it returns the what is this? I'm not sure what this does. So what this function what does this function do? I guess convert timestamp into day index. Timestamp to day. Okay. So what this is trying to say, give me a minute, I'll be back as quickly as possible. Till then, just check out this page. Then yeah, this yeah. Let's now I understood. They're converting that to like 12 12 a.m. timestamp of that day. I guess no, they are not. This function converts Unix timestamp into a day index. So expect timestamp is expected in Unix timestamp in seconds. Division number of seconds in a day, and division results in a floor. Return value is return value a number of gives the number of whole days since Unix timestamp. A commonly called day bucket or DID. Okay, that's ridiculous. Let's do that then. Last day active. Okay. What's up with this? Number is okay. We have to change that. Go here, last active to end and npm code gen. Hopefully, yes, everything works. Go back here. Last day, just do 0. Okay, now this part is correct. So, okay, let's go back. They are assigning this. We already have all the zeros. Okay, so at this point, it just needs to do save. So dot context dot what is this? It's fixed product market maker dot set entity, and this should work. Okay, with that we have completed our function. Now we need to do the register part, which is fixed product market maker factory dot creation contract registers, and next is async event comma context. I guess that's how this works. No, let's take the reference of our documentation. Reference from our documentation. Contract name. Okay, it's not async, so we do event comma context, then we do context dot add and fixed product market. Okay, that's pretty cool. With this we have our factory contract ready and our event handler for fixed product market maker factory. Both of those things are important. Let's see. Okay, let me come back in 5 minutes. Okay, let me start again. So we have done our fixed product market maker factory. So that part is completed. Now we just have to just try running this and see if it runs without any error. pnpm codegen. Let me open the docker should open. Okay, pnpm dev, and if this works without any issue, we are peachy. Okay, it doesn't. So let's see. Okay, I guess cannot find module risk imported from. Yes, I think it was. Oh, what was the thought process? Negative risk adapter, and this can't find adapter handler. Okay, so this is in conditional tokens. Ish- Okay, YAML file, then negative risk adapter, take conditional token handlers, add it here. Let's run it. Okay, sorry, I wasn't sure what to do. So that's why I did code gen first and then dev. Okay, this is great. As you can see, everything is working. Let's just see what happens here. And if we get something, yes, we do get. Let me stop this and just I want to check if I have. Okay, I have the API token here, so no issues. Okay, not an ideal thing. Okay, shoot. I'll ask the team to just change that. Oh, where is this? Just going to add what? Okay. The, there might be some issue here where if you don't know what, if you don't know, like it's going through blocks, but if a block is, let's say, let's go at USDC. Yeah, you see this is like how much, 5 block 5 million, and in between there are millions of blocks which are which don't have any of the events that we are looking for. and that's why this might not, this is taking time. But once we hit that threshold where all the events start coming up, it'll be fast. So let's see, once this goes over like 501, uh, you'll see a lot of progress in event. Yeah, you saw you saw that. Now there will be like 20,000 more events processed when this updates again. Also, our indexer is way too big. I don't know if my PC can handle it. Okay, not that many, but you saw that, right? There are like 5,000. Let me open this. Open. Can we improve it? Yes, or maybe wait a while and see what's happening. At some point, it'll start like catching up, and event events per second will go way up. Processing time. Okay, not an ideal scenario. We can. I'm pretty sure we can do something interesting here. Where, sorry, I wanted to say we can do some performance improvements here, which I might have missed. So let's see. Let me keep this as it is. Let's keep that running while I want to search stream mode. Okay. Okay, ignore that. Let's go here and just try to refresh this. Active. Okay. Let me check package.json. It's v003 alpha.4. Okay. Okay, I'll